Alright, so we have a rectangular prism that looks like this, and our job is to find expressions for the volume and the surface area of the prism. So let's start with the volume, and we know that a volume of the rectangular prism is given by the width times the length times the height. And we see that this prism has a width of 2x, so equals 2x times a length of 3y and a height of 3x. And if we put that together, we have 2 times 3 times 3, which is 18. And we have two x's that are multiplied to each other, so x squared and the y. Right, so that is the expression for the volume of the prism. And let's work on the surface area. As you know, there are two sides that are exactly the same as each other. So we have this side and this side that are the same, and this side and this side that are the same, this side and this side that are the same. So we have three pairs of rectangles that are making up the surface area of the rectangular prism. So if we find the area of the three rectangles, this one, and this one, and multiply that by 2, we will get the surface area. So let's first start with this rectangle. We see that it has a width of 2x right here, and its length is given here, 3x. So this rectangle, let's call it rectangle 1, has a width of 2x and a length of 3x, so the area is 6x squared. And then let's look at this rectangle. We notice that it has a width of 3y and a length of 3x. So the second rectangle has a width of 3y and a length of 3x, and putting them together would be 9xy. And finally, we have the rectangle on the top, and we see that it has a width of 3y. It's given here. And its length, it has the same length as here, which is 2x. So our third and final rectangle has a width of 3y and a length of 2x. And that would be 6xy. And if we add them together, we get the total area of the three rectangles. So 6x squared plus 9xy plus 6xy, and we group the like terms. This would be 6x squared plus 15xy. And like we said earlier, this is only one of each pair of rectangles that are in the surface area. So the total surface area would be 2 times this. So that would be surface area 12x squared. We're multiplying 2 to this, plus 30xy. And that's it.